Welcome back to Mastering Mayhem, everyone. Glad to have you back demonstrating the 6.5 inch 24 volt circular saw. See how it does? I got the 2 amp hour battery on it right here. We're gonna also try it with the 4 amp hour battery if the 2 amp hour can't really cut it. That's right, I said it. Can't really cut it. Let's see what this could do with the 2x6. Definitely love this circular saw's capability. Definitely has the power you need to cut through 2x4s for sure. The depth is just fine, it cuts through, and we have no issues with this.